Hello friends and hello fellow vintage lovers. Welcome to another haul slash live sale preview. This video will go out on Wednesday, the 18th. I do have a sale today on Simon Says Let's Make a Deal. I'm super excited to be back with my Brie. We go on at 6 Eastern, 5 Central, and 3 p.m. Pacific. And then I do have my Saturday sale, and that is with Simon Says Let's Make a Deal, as well as the most amazing moderator, Jane Holy Spirit Firefall. That's at noon every Saturday. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get a jewelry video out this week, a sale video. It might be next week. Most of you know that it has been a really rough time with my mom being sick and all of these doctor's appointments and everything that's been going on. Unfortunately, I haven't had as much time to work on invoicing as I had hoped. I thought I would be caught up by now, but hopefully over the next couple of days I will be. And as usual, if you need your invoice right away, you just send me an email, calypsoantiques@gmail.com, or you can leave a comment here. I apologize. You guys are amazing, and I hate that you're having to wait, especially if you're excited about something. So seriously, email me and let me know if you need it right away. Okay, guys, so a lot of these items I got at an estate sale. Actually, all of them, I do believe, except for some of the jewelry I got online. But I wanted to show you guys all of this. The most amazing thing is back here. It needs to be repaired. This is a Victorian jewelry box that is absolutely incredible. I might do a separate video on that just so I can kind of focus on it, show you all the details on it. It is amazing. It's incredible, and I feel so lucky that I found it. Okay, so as you can see, there's quite a few dolls. Like, there's a lot of dolls. I think I'll start over here. I love her. I believe she's from Mexico. Look at that jar on top of her head. She's incredible. She is on a little wooden base. She's so cute. And then this one, I haven't researched her yet, but she is pretty amazing. I think she's gorgeous. It looks like it's coming through that she has like jaundice skin. No, she has a perfect complexion. I think it's just the lighting. And this amazing Victorian dress. She is beautiful. Her hair is beautiful. Oh, she's awesome. Then back here, I believe she is antique. I have this bisque doll. She does have porcelain legs, hands, and feet. And the dress looks pretty old too. Back here, this one is creep-tastic. So I think the clothes are newer, but I'm not sure of the age. So she is also bisque, and I need to clean her up a little bit, it looks like. She's big. She's a pretty big doll. Then over here is this amazing Victorian doll. Look at her eyes. Look at those lashes. She is pretty amazing. The jewelry details, the dress. She even has an umbrella here. She is absolutely incredible. And I love her red hair. Then I also got a couple of Russian dolls. She's got this beautiful coat, and then look at her. She's amazing as well. She's so regal. I love her, and I love this braid. Okay, so on to the non-dolls. I'm trying to do this a little bit faster. YouTube likes more of a fast video. We'll see how I do. This piece is a signed Native American piece, and this is an oil diffuser. It is beautiful. The name of the piece is Desert Night, and this is incredible. I absolutely love it. The diffuser fits right in there. Don't be clumsy like me. It is fine though. This is just beautiful. I loved it when I saw it. I just think it's gorgeous. Then over here, this is a beautiful crystal dish, and I don't know for sure who makes it. It's like this little vanity jar or trinket dish. It's beautiful. I love the cut. Yeah, I just thought it was pretty, and so many of us love this color blue. Then here is a little vintage perfume bottle. It does have the atomizer. Loving this. I love the amber. And these are 2 enamel on copper trinket dishes. They are amazing. Sometimes these are signed by the artist, but I didn't see a signature. They can be quite valuable. So there are those. And then back here, this is another beautiful piece. This is from Hong Kong. This is obviously vintage. It is this porcelain dish, and the dish is encased in brass. How cool is that? It does say, Japanese painted wares, hand painted in Hong Kong. Look at this beautiful bird though, and it's got these gorgeous blues. It's incredible. Okay, and then back here, this is a small tapestry, and I'm not quite sure where this is from. If y'all know, let me know. Could possibly be Russian. I'm gonna try to pull it out. No, I don't think so. Oh, it's Chile, or Chile. I would not have guessed that. I'm not quite sure why. And is that a dog or a goat? Anyway, I just love this. I love the pink house or schoolhouse. I think it's a schoolhouse. Is this not adorable? It is super cool. It is signed by the artist here, Elena Rodriguez. Yeah, very, very pretty piece. I keep knocking stuff over today. One second, guys. Oh, I dropped over this little dollar horse. I love these. I will always get them when I see them. Super cool. Then I got this amazing pendant. This evil eye, a glass pendant. Very, very cool. You could also use it as a light catcher or hang it in your window. Then behind it is this really, really cool necklace. So this, it's more modern, but it's definitely a Native American kind of style. And it's got this faux bone or horn or tooth, whatever you want it to be there. It's really pretty. I love this. It's very long, so it's great for layering. And let's see, then over here, I put some earrings in here as well as a ring. I got this really cool silver tone moon ring, which I love. And attached to it are some copper and brass earrings. Let me fix that. Okay, then these are amazing copper earrings. I love this design, kind of like a sun or a flower design there in the center. I don't think these were marked anywhere. Then check out these really fun brass earrings. I like these a lot as well. Kind of like a brutalist design to them. And attached to them are these little acrylic dinosaur earrings. Is that a Brachiosaurus? I think so. If you know for sure, let me know. But they're just cute little acrylic earrings that I thought somebody would like. Then look at this amazing bone bracelet. So this is carved. A lot of times these are ox bone. It is brass. It was $36 at one point. I didn't realize that was on there. But yeah, this is super cool. Love getting those. They're still really popular with a lot of my buyers. Then I got a couple of Native American beaded pieces. I got 2 of these bracelets, which are incredible. Look at them. I love them. Then I got some necklaces. At least I think I have some necklaces over here. So these are like the wrap necklaces or bracelets. You can wear them either way. They tie at the end. This could be turquoise. I'll have to look at it a little bit better than this one. I think this one is definitely turquoise. That's what it looked like to me. Maybe not. That looks a little bit too perfect. So let's say no, not turquoise. But anyway, that is really cool. I'm trying to see if there's anything I missed because I was draping jewelry all over everything. Yes, there's this. So this is a faux amber. But guys, it glows like crazy. And it's on this really, really unique and beautiful necklace. So it's really well made. I think it's lucite, but anyway, there is that. I'm sorry for this quick haul. Let me know if you want to see the inside of this Victorian jewelry box. Look at it though. It is so incredible. Let me take this off. So I have to fix the latch up top. Not sure if you can see that, but it has come loose. It is amazing. I can't believe it survived this long. Oh, I see something else back here. This is just something really cute that I picked up at the estate sale as well. This little advertising piece from Standard Sewing Machines. Keep off the grass with these two pups and this little girl. Nature's Kindergarten. I love that. I think it is so cute. Oh, if you love dogs, many of us do, you might really enjoy that. Okay, so let me know what your favorite item is. I'm sorry for the bad filming here. I just wanted to get this out as soon as I can. And yeah, thank you guys for all your support. Hope to see you later today. And I hope everyone is having a good week. Bye.